The third and final insurance type we'll review is life insurance. There are a lot of life insurance options out there, but they all boil down to being two different types. They're either term or whole life insurance. So let's compare and contrast the two to better understand what each of them offer. First, term life insurance provides coverage for a specific death benefit or amount over a predetermined time period. However, whole life insurance provides coverage for a specific death benefit as long as you keep paying the premiums. When it comes to contributions, both have a monthly premium, but there's also an option with whole life insurance to contribute more funds, and it becomes like a savings account. So what are the benefits of each? The term life insurance has a benefit of guaranteed death benefit during the predetermined period. If something should happen to you, you're guaranteed a payout for your beneficiaries. However, whole life insurance is a little bit above and beyond that. It also offers a death benefit or payment as long as you've been paying your premiums, but it also has a cash value that can be withdrawn or borrowed against. Again, whole life insurance offers you a savings or investment tool in addition to a life insurance policy that will pay out should something happen to you.